We are going towards the Palasha tree medicine preparation. 80 kilometers from Kumta, close to 1.5 hours journey. And there is a traffic block which has just been resolved. The journey is still on to reach. The journey is still on to reach the tree of Palasha, where the medicine for the Rasayana is being prepared. We are going to the site of the tree. This is a remote area where the paddy fields are, and also perhaps near some forest. Beautiful location. അടിപൊളി ലൊക്കേഷൻ അല്ലേ സാറേ? നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സാധനം കേരളത്തിൽ അങ്ങനെ അധികം കാണാറില്ലല്ലോ. വെറൈറ്റി